Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing good. So I'm on my way to my college. It's gonna be my first day at college, semester 2, and I'm so excited even though I'm running late. मैं बस के लिए आई थी but I guess बस से तो मुझे लेट हो जाएगा. So I've booked myself an Uber. So I'm just waiting for my Uber to come and then I'll be heading to my college very soon. No, not yet, but I'll be getting one soon. Yeah.
My two daughter has a G2.
Uh-huh.
She will be exam one is like June.
Okay.
She will graduation next year.
Oh wow, that's nice.
Yeah, beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
So
It's finally summers now.
Yeah,
I'm
nice
so
weather.
glad, yeah.
nice weather. You are long time in Brampton?
No, it's just been a month here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. So
Right.
you have to be watch yourself. You are young. You are beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
This is very important.
Yes, you're right.
So where I drop you again?
In front of Weaving would work?
I think that was there. Yeah.
Yes. Wow, I was not expecting this.
Yeah, you know.
तो और क्या अच्छा प्रॉपर हिंदी आता है आपको?
बिल्कुल हिंदी आता है.
अरे वाह.
कुछ प्रॉब्लम भी नहीं.
वाह, कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मुझे नहीं पता था कि आपको समझ आती है हिंदी.
तुम बोलेगे जल्दी करो, हम बोलेगे जल्दी नहीं करो.
ओह.
ये वाला है?
जे ये वाला नहीं है, आगे है जे.
अच्छा.
It's gonna be that way, yeah.
Oh, one way.
Or should we ask someone?
Persian,
हाँ.
Dari,
Okay.
Pashto,
हाँ.
Farsi,
Oh.
English, Spanish,
Oh my
Hindi.
God!
language.
Wow. That's amazing.
इधर सही है.
हाँ जी, बस यहीं पे. All
बहुत
right.
शुक्रिया.
शुक्रिया.
Good luck.
Thank you so much. Take
See
care.
you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Don't waste time.
Sure thing. I won't.
Work and study.
Yes. Sure thing. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye
Bye. All right. Sure thing. Thank you. Yeah, sure. All right, guys. So I've reached college, and I just have to find which way is it gonna be. All right, guys. So I have reached college, and I am here in the J wing. And here's Prab. Hi, Prab.
Hello.
So he's my classmate, and now we are heading towards our class because it's gonna get started at 2. So let's see how it's gonna go.
이젠 더는 숨지 않아 너와 나는 느껴 나와 너 말이야.
So guys, we have attended 2 classes already and we are just so exhausted right now. It's almost 7 p.m. now, and you want to say anything? How was the class?
It was awesome, totally awesome.
It was totally awesome.
Go for Sheridan College. It's the best college in Brampton.
Why are you advertising them? Why are you promoting them? Do you really like Sheridan College this much, bro?
Sheridan College is good for placement. Other colleges don't give placement as much Sheridan College did.
Okay, well. Anyway, so yeah, I guess we'll just go and we'll just head home maybe because there's not much to do. Plus, we have a class tomorrow as well. So yeah, I'm gonna maybe tell you while I'd be heading home. So, gonna see you later.
속삭이는 내 손악마 비밀의 악마
Hi guys, so it's my second day and guess who's here? Gunjan. So we have a class together. Gunjan, how was your first class?
It was nice. Actually, it was a very long class.
Uh-huh.
So
And
let's
now?
see. Actually, we're just having some food.
And it's not tasting good. I made it and it's not tasting good. I'm always like this. But whenever Gunjan cooks, oh god, she cooks so damn good, you guys. Yeah? है ना Gunjan? ये तो बहुत वैसे नहीं लग रहा. सब लोगों ने ये कौन सा सैंडविच है? आलू सैंडविच? नहीं. What would it be? Okay, so we don't even know what do we call it, but anyway, so ये इसमें हमने आलू की फिलिंग डाली है. इसे कुक भी नहीं किया था, राइट? सो एकदम कच्चा टेस्ट आ रहा है, बट जल्दीबाजी में यही बना और कुछ नहीं बना. सुबह मैगी भी खा के आए थे, सो दैट्स अ गुड थिंग. वी डिड अ ब्रेकफास्ट एंड दिस इज मोर ऑफ अ लंच, बट थोड़ा वैसा वाला लंच हो गया, जंक फूड वाला, बट कोई नहीं, चलेगा. काम चला हुआ ये भी. और बाय द वे हमारा जब फर्स्ट डे था, हमारी एक भी क्लास साथ में नहीं थी, बट आज हमारी फर्स्ट क्लास डिफरेंट थी, सेकेंड क्लास सेम है, सो दैट्स अ गुड थिंग. और कल हमारी दोनों क्लास सेम है. So
Full day
yeah,
together.
we're gonna have fun. This is our classroom, you guys, and we are on a break though. We do have a class in like next 15 minutes. So हमें finally एक spot मिला है. गुंजन पास से जाके देखे अंदर कोई class तो नहीं है, तो बेइज्जती हो जाएगी. It's a lab. Oh, so we can show our outfit here maybe. नहीं, अभी भी clear नहीं दिख रहा है, but कोई नहीं. This is what we are wearing. This is what chilling looks like for now. By the lake. हमसे ज़्यादा तो उनकी आवाज़ आ रही है ducks की. So right now we are just exploring the gym area and the badminton court because Gunjan is a state level badminton champion and she would love to get herself enrolled in any club if she can. So let's see if that can happen or not. She's just having words regarding the same. So yeah, maybe we'll come for the gym someday here maybe. The timings are from 8 AM to 10 PM. So let's see, if at all we get time, we'll definitely come for workout. And regarding the badminton, I'm sure Gunjan would join a club because she's really into badminton. So let's see if that goes well. But हमें टाइमिंग पूरा अपना मैनेज ऑब्वियसली करना पड़ेगा. देखते हैं बिकॉज कॉलेज में आके किसी न किसी क्लब को आपको ऑब्वियसली ज्वाइन करना चाहिए. आई वोंट बी जॉइनिंग एनी बैडमिंटन क्लब बिकॉज आई एम नॉट गुड एट इट. बट हाउ डिड इट गो?
It goes pretty well. Actually, they said that there's not any tournament as of now, but I have to mail someone
Oh, you have to mail someone.
regarding this.
Okay, and then you can join a club, right?
No, there's no club. It's just we can play here.
Okay.
Yeah.
But how would you play? Like, do you have...
No, it says we can play here in our free time.
Okay.
There's no as such club for this.
There's no club as such. And you're a state level champion, right?
Yeah.
She's a state level champion. Let's see if she gets to, you know, go for any tournament or not.
Because there's no as such team for this, no badminton for this college.
Okay.
It's just we can apply for some tournaments so we can just play here.
Let's wish Gunjan for that then. And I just forgot to mention that the gym and what do we call it? What do we call it?
Athletics area.
Athletics area, okay. It's in Wing A. So just in case if you guys are coming to Davis campus, then you know where to go. You'll find the library in J Wing and you'll find gym and athletics area in A Wing, okay? Alright guys, so we are done roaming around for an hour and now we are going back to attend a class, right? The remaining last one?
Yeah, it's our last class.
Yes, and this class we have together, so I'm excited for that. Unfortunately, Prab ki dusri class hai, right Prab? So,
We two are together.
yeah, and we have the same class tomorrow as well, both the
the whole
classes.
day.
For the whole day, so that's a good thing, yeah? Hi you guys, so we are finally done with our class today. We are done with both the classes and almost reached home. How was your class? Good?
Yeah, it was nice.
Yeah, this time it was really nice. Yes, we do have quite many Indians in our class, but then there's diversity as well, which is a good thing. So there are people from Cuba, there are people from Nigeria, I believe, and there is diversity. So I'm really glad that we'll get to, you know, interact with people from different backgrounds. So that's a good thing, right? Because that's what we are looking forward to. Anyway, that's it for the video. I'm gonna see you super soon. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Gunjan, say bye.
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 나 그만하려는
घर आए नहीं कि बेसमेंट की ये विंडो फिक्स करने लग गए.
नहीं यार, कोई उल्टा तो नहीं लगा रहा है.
पता नहीं, I don't know. So ये ऐसे ही पड़ा था. So we just came to see कि यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम क्या है. So just trying to get things together. Yeah. तो पूरा फिट आ गई है वहाँ पे.
मैं बैठ भी जाऊंगी यहाँ पे.
This is हो गया. अरे perfect.
बट टेम्पररी ही है.
This is more like the backyard here, but बहुत गंदा हो रखा है. So let me show you दो थोड़ा बहुत तो. ये है बैकयार्ड जिसकी बैंड बजी हुई है. And there's a trampoline as well. And finally we have reached our basement. Whoa! ये है एंट्री और हम आपको फुल टूर बाद में देंगे जब थोड़ा क्या बोलते हैं ऑर्गेनाइज हो जाएगा हमारा बेसमेंट. अभी तो बहुत ही बेकार हो रखा है.